Hi, my name is Mrs. Trout and I teach the Entertainment Technology program here at GlenOak High School. Entertainment technology deals primarily with live show productions, so when students come in they learn how to operate a big live soundboard. We do lighting design as well, so they learn how to program a light board and actually learn how to focus fixtures, how to work safely on a stage, how to work up in a catwalk, how to be high up in the air and still be able to focus on what it is you're trying to do without being afraid. It's a 900-seat theater. All of the lighting equipment, all of the sound equipment was brand new when GlenOak was built. The second year of the program, we also do multimedia projects. So we do audio recording, song production. My students actually apply what they're learning to shows that an audience is going to pay to come see. If you like hands-on creative activities, entertainment technology is for you.